Hi P4 pupils, before we go on and do more word problems, let's understand some examples of word problem phrasing. If you understand the phrasing, then it is easy for you to understand, okay? Now, let's take a look at example number 1. This is not a full word problem. This is allowing you to understand phrasing, okay? Cindy is 3/5 as old as David. Now, what does this mean, okay? This means the numerator 3 is referring to Cindy. Always remember, numerator is referring to the one in front, and 5 is referring to the one at the back. Okay, so it is a good practice for you to circle and point the arrow. Always make this a habit. Okay. Second example, the number of children is 2/7 of the number of adults. Now, what does this mean? Same thing. You see children in front, you see an adult behind right now. So 2 refers to children, and 7 refers to adults. Okay. So if I have to draw models, it means that I have to draw 2 units for children and 7 units for adults, okay? Now let's take a look at third example, slightly different. It's a different example from example 1 and 2. Example 1 and 2, I can say that they are almost exactly the same kind of phrasing. Let's take a look at example 3. 2/9 of the class are boys, the rest are girls. What does it mean? There's no one in front, I cannot point an arrow in front. So they say 2/9 of the class are boys. Now this 9 is actually referring to the class, meaning the total. Okay, so meaning in the class there are a total of 9 units. And 2 units are boys. So how many units are girls? Then you can do a quick mental calculation. If we have 9 units here, 9 units for the total, 9 units, and 2 units are boys, so the rest 7 units must be your girls. So if you were to draw models, take note you're going to draw 2 units for the boys and 7 units for the girls. Okay? Now to the last one. Now this one is a different one. There are 3/4 as many boys as girls. Now we have boys, we have girls. Boys is in position 1, girls is in position 2. So that also means the numerator points to the position 1 and 4 points to the one in position 2. So it's kind of similar to what we have here. You see? The numerator points to position 1 and the denominator points to position 2. So these are the basic to understanding word problem. So remember to draw all your arrows during the exam. Once you finish drawing the arrows, what must you do next? No, don't start solving. Draw your models first. Only when you draw models, then you can start solving. Okay? Can?